Pakala Babu. I am going to discuss about the HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography or high pressure liquid chromatography. It's the most important and widely used for the analysis of the compounds. They are mainly their reverse phase RPHPLC is most widely used for the development of methods. RPHPLC for the most of non-polar components, though the polar components most of the methods are developed in the RPHPLC. Reverse phase high performance liquid chromatography. Why? Because the most of the compounds belongs to the non-polar, so that they have developed the method. The method development for these RPHs is quite easy compared to the polar compounds. I developed a method for the metformin hydrochloride, which is the most difficult for developing method by using the reverse phase high performance liquid chromatography. So what I did, I used initially reverse phase reverse phase columns to develop a method, but I had a difficult to develop a method in it. Then what I did, as per literature, I followed and I tried to develop in reverse phase. It's quite challenging, but I didn't get any results by using the reverse phase high performance liquid chromatography. Then I used the cyno column for the development of method. Initially I tried in the TDW with Stronetral, then I didn't get a method for development. Then I did a method development by using the Stronetral with ammonia acetate pH 4 as a composition of 50-50 as the separation of the drug was taken. See, initially this during the method development, preparation of ammonia acetate is quite simple, easier. Why? Because they won't consider the solvent front separation, but for the CC it is most important. Calibration curve by in the human samples or biological matter during this extraction procedure is most important. This complete separation should be occur. How to see the whether the separation occurs or not? See, we will see the solvent front after 2-3 minutes. We will see the drug peak where the area counts. Sometimes what will happen, the peak this analyte is not observed on the system. Then what will happen means problem where it means it will comes with the solvent front and the area of the peak will be more. So we should have a complete separation where the absorption mechanism should be there, and changing the composition, the peak should move before after by based on the polarity. So this is most important, whether separation occurs. You can apply this HPLC method for the LCMS if you use the volatile buffers like ammonia acetate, these buffers. So most important thing is during the method development, we must consider whether the we are using the right column or not. This column selection is quite different, and changing the columns and changing the mobile phase and is like a troubleshooting initially. Then after that, based on the polarity and based on the analyte molecule properties, then we can easily find out how to select the columns, how to change the mobile phase, and we will easily note that whether this we can develop method by this column and by seeing the 2-3 carats by changing mobile phase. This is most important. Thank you. Stop.